because at this point, the only thing we said is we would like to receive data or we would like to transmit data. We haven't yet said that we want to send the data with a specific speed, so we haven't mentioned yet the speed of transmission of the data. And I haven't yet mentioned how do we write to these buffers and how do we read. Okay, let's look at the various modes of communication. The serial mode 0 is used for high-speed communication. In other words, it has to have the biggest frequency, clock frequency, for transmitting the data. And in our case, the BR is the baud rate. It's the number of bits per second. It's the maximum that we can get. Remember that the frequency that we get from the oscillator is divided by 12 no matter what. So the maximum frequency that we can get is oscillation frequency divided by 12. And this is the serial mode that offers the maximum possible transmission. On the other hand, this is a synchronous serial communication. So synchronous always has something to do with clock. We have a synchronous communication between two devices if they share a common clock. So, in other words, we don't just have a data wire, but we also have to send a clock signal. So in this case, the data is going to be sent to the RXT line, and the clock is going to be sent to the TXT line. And in order to receive data, the condition that we need to have is that we have the receive enable and the receive flag is 0. So in other words, for this particular mode, we don't really care about the speed or about the bits 8 of the data that is transmitted. There is one problem